ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions and how I did a DIY project on building a budget parrot stand for under $10. I marked the wood base for the layout and placement of the tray and branches, and I cut the branches to the measurements that I wanted to use. I pre-drilled the wood base for the branch layout and pre-drilled the branches, trying to prevent splitting of the wood when screwing the branches to the base. This was the hard part, carefully screwing the branches to the base without damaging the branches in the process. Almost done with this part. There is only one branch left to secure to the base. A little cutting and trimming, trimming and cutting, basically shaping the project. Adding the perch, being even more careful not to split the branches due to the smaller diameters. Pre-drilling helps a lot. All done, another DIY budget project completed, and a happy customer to boot. Ole ole! If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.